What's up, folks? This is Derrick from Vic's World Famous Chicken in the Cooler, bringing to you Sunday Meal Day. We're going to have rib tips. We're going to have steak. We're going to have sausage. We're going to have brisket burgers. We're going to have cabbage with smoked neck bones. Watch, like, comment, subscribe, and find out how you can make a super Sunday dinner. Oh, almost forgot one thing. Beef smoked sausage from Hillshire Farms. I am putting the meat on charcoal in my pit. I am putting the vegetables on the Traeger in pots, cook outside, and also for my dogs, I got a special treat, beef hearts that I also cook on the Traeger for them. Watch, let's go. First, I had to wash that meat. The meat just had pat dry. Yeah, I love that. So I'm going to season these steaks two different. I'm going to use this Fiesta steak seasoning on the fajita. This is Wagyu fajita. Super flavorful. So all that marble in that Wagyu. Look at all that. Oh, that fat. I ain't cutting none of that fat. I want all that. Okay, got that. Then, prime steak, black garlic and truffle. This is a great seasoning. It doesn't look very good on there or smell great, but when it's finished cooking, doing what it does to this ribeye, I already skipped past to getting the grills ready. I got the charcoal almost ready. I got the Traeger heating up, so we're gonna skip that part. But I am gonna show you me seasoning up these steaks. Let them sit and sweat for a little bit. Let me get some more of that steak. There you go. Rib tips. And what am I putting on them rib tips? A little Meat Church Gospel barbecue rub. Hit it with the church. If you didn't go to church today, you hit them with this Meat Church, the gospel rub. See what they did there? Meat Church Gospel. Make sure you turn these. Turn them, flip them. Make sure you get all the sides. It's against barbecue law to season one side. It's against barbecue law. Look it up. Barbecue law. If you season one side, you are banned from barbecue, except for at your house. Don't bring no barbecue to anybody else's house if you only season one side. Barbecue law. Rib tips. Meat Church. Let those rest. With the brisket burgers, you can either buy the patties, or you can just buy the brisket burger meat, or you can make it. Take beef and brisket, and you trim your brisket and make your own brisket burgers. I did not have the time or the brisket trimmings to make that, so cheating. Cabbage neck bones going on the Traeger. Oh yeah. Tips of ribs on the pit. Almost time to get these babies off here. You know, my wife likes her steak medium rare. Let's see. Fajita. Oh, whew. It's about medium for the fajita meat. Oh, wow. Did you see how easy it cut though? See the ribeye. Look at that. Just a little bit over back. Yep, a little bit over, should like. Good medium though. Good medium. As you can see, the pit is still pretty hot, but watch what happens when I put these burgers on. And also, spinach artichoke dip in the air fryer. As you can tell, now look how much smoke is coming out of the pit now. Now that the hamburger's on there, watch. Oh yeah, now I'll fire back up. Picking on the dogs. Cabbage on the Traeger.